And so today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting in these light bulbs for a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. So I got these bulbs because my turn signal went out, and I'm going to show y'all how to do it. So to start off, come down here, go ahead and hit that hood switch. Come over here, get this latch up under the hood. Now, but what you're looking for is going to be this thing right here. This is for the turn signal. And so what you're going to do first is you are going to disconnect this connector right here. So, yep, I just got it out. This one right here. Then you're going to take this. Let me see if I can get y'all a better view. Take this. Actually, okay. So I was able to twist this from that hole right there. You twist it out. This whole assembly comes out, and then you need your new bulb. So I got mine. It looks 1 for 1, but let me get this out the package. I'm using one hand right now, so give me 1 second. So you push down and twist, and then the old bulb pops out. I just put it to the side. Then I'm taking this new bulb. Oh. So I'm taking this new bulb, inserting it, pushing it down, and twisting to the right. And then to get this back in, it's just going to be everything but in reverse. So I'm taking this. There we go. Look, you can see how it kind of popped in. See how it popped in, and then I just twisted this to the right. So twist that to the right, and then just make sure it's secure. And then what you can do is take your connector and go right back in. All right, cool. So I'm about to do a test real quick, just to make sure. So I'm gonna just hit the hazards. And look at that, like new, look at that, it looked good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up. All I needed was just some pliers and then a new bulb. So for my 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport, I needed the two 357As from Sylvania. That's what I ended up getting. So, all right, thank y'all. Stay tuned for the next one.